day trading strategies. Let me tell you guys something. If I had my career to start all over again, or my trading to start all over again from the beginning, if I knew then what I know now, I'd change two simple things. And that will change your career forever. If you're a beginner in this, or even if you're just a trader that hasn't quite got there yet, this video is definitely for you because it'll change everything. I spent years looking for new systems, new indicators, new ideas, watching videos, reading books, going and following this guy, following that guy, trying to find the magic pill that's going to make you money in the stock market. And if only I knew then that it was all about the psychology. Man, it's all in your head, guys. It's all up here. It's got nothing whatsoever to do with any particular system. There's two things that you need, and that's it. Okay? I'm going to get to that. But first, hey, I'm Rob. It's Rob Guilty. It's logical trading. And by the way, trading is risky. If you don't like losing money, don't trade. I'm going to show you my trading system. I'm going to show you my trading system a little bit further into the video. But first, let's just talk about what are those two things that I would have changed to make my life so much better in trading. Guys, do you know what those two things are? It's so simple. First, I would have incorporated risk management into my trading immediately. In other words, a simple stop loss. And I would have incorporated with that stop loss patience. Patience and waiting for a trade to come to me and not chasing the trades. And risk management, and that's all you need at the end of the day. It's simple. You don't need anything else. The second thing that I would change is I would take all the indicators off my charts, throw them in the bin, just chuck them away, and simply use price action to trade. And that will change your entire trading life forever. Guys, here's my trading system. Check this out. I'm going to show you a really simple trading strategy. Support and resistance. It's the easiest. And supply and demand. Let's take a look at the charts and let's have a look at what we've got. It's my secret trading system, my edge. Okay, let's have a look. So if you go into the chart, you can see here that we've got, okay, this is the FTSE, right? That's fine. What I'll do, I'll go to the day, right? Let's put it on a line chart. Hang on, a line chart. Yeah, there we go, line chart. There we go. Okay, let's remove that. Now, we've got a line chart. Now, with a line chart, you can see the points much better. It helps to see the points. Let's have a look at what's on the charts and let's see how we trade support and resistance, supply and demand, right? So first we'll do support and resistance, then we'll do a bit of supply and demand, just to have a wee look, okay? So, my system's really simple, straightforward, no bullshit. What we do is we take a line chart on the daily, right? So you can see here, there's a few points here. So this is clearly a level. So let's draw that level in, okay? And we use boxes because it doesn't have to be exact. Let's be perfectly honest. So if you look at that, we've got quite a nice level on the daily, right? There we go. Now if you look at the bottom here, there's definitely a support area there. So let's draw that one in, right? Now the reason I'm only drawing these two in is because, let's be perfectly honest, if you draw a whole bunch of lines in there, it's just going to confuse you. So we want the one at the top, we want the one at the bottom. And you can see on the line chart that very much we're in the resistance level. Okay, so let's have a look at that. We'll change it back to a candle. There you go. Lovely. She's in the candles. And now you can see on the daily where you stand. Now have a look on the daily where it's going. Look, this particular one is pretty much in a range, but that's okay. We're going to look at that. That's fine. If it was in a trend up, same thing. You just go on the trends as you go up and you just draw the support and resistance as to where you are. Okay. So here we are. We're in a trend. And now we go back down to the 4 hour. If you want to trade on the 1 hour, fine, same thing, you can take it down to the 1 hour. Now if you look at the 4 hour, you can see very clearly here and very nicely that you've got a possible trade coming up, right? So with that trade possibly coming up, you can now, by all means, take this and just have a look at it, right? So if you get a red bar coming out, then you're going to go short, right? If you get a green bar going out, you're going to go long. Simple as that. And your stop loss is where you want to look, right? So let's just remove that. So what you're going to do about your stop loss? Well, that's pretty easy. Now let's say we're going long. Then we're going to put our stop loss just below these lows, right? Or a little bit below these lows. And I'll take profit. Let's take it right up there, because I mean, you're just going to add to your profits if she's going up, right? So that's one way of doing it. Let's say you're going short, okay? So we're going short. Let's say it comes out of there. Our profits target is much more clear. It's down here, down at the bottom, right? It's pretty clear. Stop loss is much more clear as well, just above the last high, okay? And that's support and resistance for you. Righto. So let's remove all the drawings, right? Let's see, have we got a nice area where look at that. Look at that. We've got a demand area. So if you're looking for a supply and demand area, quite easy. You don't have to change to the day chart, the lower time frames, higher time frames. Look at this. All you've got to do is you've got to look for 3 nice, clear uptrend bars for a demand area, okay, and 3 clear downtrend bars for a supply area. So that would have been a supply area right there. So you could have drawn a supply area in there. Look at that. The confluence is amazing. It actually matches up to the demand area. So if we take the demand area and we draw it in, there's your demand. Boom. Look at that. Okay, so effectively what you've got here is if this now comes down into that area, you're going to trade long. And that's it. You get a green bar coming out of there because that's a demand area. And if you look at it, let's remove all the drawings. And if you look at it, you can see clearly that this would have been a supply area previously, okay? And it matches up perfectly with support. Also, with the demand area we have right now, okay? And that's as simple as the system gets. That's all you need to know. You don't need to know anything over and above that. That's your system. That's what you're going to trade with. So now that you've seen my trading system, and now you know how I trade, support and resistance, supply and demand, that sort of thing, that is truly all you need to trade. So change those 2 things and you'll be much happier. Do me a favor, guys. Check out my blog. 10-15 seconds of your time. Nothing more. Visit the secret blog. Free trade on there every day, which I post totally free. Guys, it's not financial advice, just a trading idea. On the blog as well, you'll see on the left, little PDF, free Forex book, my gift to you, asking nothing for it. But enjoy the trade every day. It's always nice to know what everybody else is doing, isn't it? Now that you've seen the secret blog, might be interesting for you. You're welcome to follow those trades, but just remember I'm a 50-50 trader at best. So I don't always win my trades. Just so you don't forget that, okay? Most traders are 50-50 traders because the stock market's a 50-50 game. The market either goes up or it goes down. Your trade, you can throw a dart at the board. It'll either go along or it'll go short. Just manage your risk and everything will be okay. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe. Follow in some cases, and thanks for watching. Bye.